For my next video, I'd like to do one on a app that you cannot find in your menu, and you'll be very surprised at what it does on your phone. So I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra, One UI 8, running the final version. This will work on practically every Android phone. It's just you're going to find it in different ways. So again, I'm using the S25 Ultra, so it might be a little different on yours. I'm going to go over some of that on how to find it on different phones. But let's give a background first. I normally dive right in and then do a background, but I want to talk about this for a little bit on what this does and how sneaky they are. So almost every Android phone has this hidden app installed by the factory that you cannot find in your menu. You're going to be surprised by what it does on your phone. It watches your behavior, it tracks what you do, your messages that you write or receive, your location, and it reads your notifications. Yes, it can even use your camera to see where you are looking and you don't even know it. In my video, I'm going to show you how to find this app, explain why it is there, and how to turn it off. So again, let's dive right in, as I say. So let's start with why this is on your phone. It's made for smartphone features, extra functions that most people don't use, and they're not on every Android phone. Here's a quick list of the smart text selections, that's one of them, when you highlight an address in your text. Pixel phones, if music is playing nearby your phone, shows a notification with the song's name. But for this, the microphone has to listen all the time. These are subtitles for videos that you can watch them without sound. But it does not work on every video. Smart Reply. This feature reads your messages, for example, in Messenger, and suggests quick replies to do whatever the app needs. So exit charts have actions and suggestions. The feature to guess what you need is another one for example, calling your mom, ordering a text you open, and what you do in them. Smart Rotation, the app uses the camera to see how you're looking at the screen. For example, if you are on the screen, will not turn. As we can see, these are not the basic features. You can use your phone without them, and they are quite convenient. Some features are not on the phone, so if you cannot find all these features on your phone, don't worry, for there's a convenient features to work. The phone collects a lot of people's information. So now let's start on head to the main settings on how to get to this. So settings, and then scroll down to security, privacy. A lot of the things you'll ever need in this kind of field is in security and privacy. So security and privacy. And let's see, scroll down to more privacy settings. Yep, there it is. More security settings. And then scroll to I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. So let's do this again. Sorry. Go to security and privacy, and you want more privacy settings. Okay, then scroll down. I did the wrong one the first time, so I might edit that out, or if not, I'll just leave it. But you want more privacy settings. Okay, and then Android System Intelligence. So here it all is, and you can learn about it by reading it, get suggestions based on people, apps, and contact you interact with, on device recognition. So we want to clear your data for all time. And I would keep up on that maybe once every week, as the phone's going to continue to load that back in and where you're at and spying on you, etc. So we want to turn that off. So there's another one in here, Android System Intelligence, and that is keyboard, And we're going to turn off show smart text suggestions in the keyboard suggestion strip. So turn that off as well, and then go back. So let me do this one more time just so there's no confusion since I went on the wrong one. So security and privacy, scroll all the way down, more privacy, not more security, more privacy settings, then Android system intelligence, clear data. Okay, and then also keyboard. So those two things, it's going to save a lot of issues that you could be having with people listening in, getting your ads, getting your phone information. There's just so many things that are going on the manufacturer's servers, and they don't need any of that information without your approval. So it's all happening without your knowledge. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.